Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluka Idile. If today's the first time on the channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so about 2 weeks ago, we started learning about Èèwò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, and we learned about the general Èèwò ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. So, as I promised, we are going to be learning about the other types of Èèwò in Yoruba land. But today, I'm going to focus on Èèwò Idile, which is household taboo. So what do you do? What should you not do in this family that is a taboo? But before we go into all that, we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Idile. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì sẹ́yìn a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa kọ́ nípa àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ èèwọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mo sì fún yín ní àwọn àpẹẹrẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa èèwọ̀ ẹbí, èèwọ̀ ìdílé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo dẹ̀ ṣe sọ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá lọ́hùn, mo sọ wípé Yorùbá pín èèwọ̀ sí ìsọ̀rísọ̀rí bíi èèwọ̀ ìdílé, èèwọ̀ ìlú, èèwọ̀ ẹ̀sìn, èèwọ̀ ìmọ́tótó, èèwọ̀ àìsàn àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa èèwọ̀ ìdílé. Ìdílé kọ̀ọ̀kan ló ní èèwọ̀ tirẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Yàtọ̀ sí èèwọ̀ lápapọ̀, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire, èyí ni nǹkan àgbẹ̀dọ̀ tí ẹnikẹ́ni kò gbọdọ̀ ṣe tàbí dánwò nínú ẹbí. Irú èèwọ̀ báyìí a máa sábà bá àwọn ìyàwó ilé wí nípa ìbímọ, ìtọ́mọ, ìwọ ọmọ, bí àpẹẹrẹ ní ìdílé àyàn, ìdílé onílù. Tí wọ́n bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bí ọmọ tuntun, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ tọrọ gbogbo ohun èlò tí wọ́n máa lò fi wẹ ọmọ tuntun náà fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́. Tí wọn kò bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ọmọ náà yóò máa tijú iṣẹ́ ìdílé rẹ̀, kò ní lè fi yangàn. Àwọn míì tún wà kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́, wọ́n pè wọ́n ní ìran Oníkòyí, kò gbọ́dọ̀ dẹran òkété. Ẹran òkété, ìtàn fi yé wa pé baba ńlá wọn bínú di òkété láyé ọjọ́. Ìran Ìkòyí kò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ òkété, bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ baba ńlá rẹ̀ ló ń jẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àwọn ìdílé olóòjé kò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ ẹyẹ ẹ̀gà, nítorí àwọn ẹyẹ ẹ̀gà wọ̀nyí ló ran baba ńlá wọn lọ́wọ́ láyé ọjọ́, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtàn sọ fún wa, láti ṣẹ́gun àwọn ọ̀tá wọn. Àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí míì tún wà tí wọ́n bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bímọ tí ìyá ọmọ ò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹyọ̀. Tí wọ́n bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bímọ, ọbẹ̀ àtẹ́ ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ máa jẹ títí di ọjọ́ ìsọmọlórúkọ. Ìdílé míì, ẹran aláǹgbá ni wọ́n máa fi sí ọbẹ̀ fún. Ìrìn tí ó bá dẹ̀yà ọmọ rẹ̀ yóò kú tàbí kí aburú mìíràn kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí i lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni mo fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, we learned about some taboos in Yoruba land, okay? Last 2 weeks, and I gave you some examples, and there's still a lot more. Like, for example, if someone dies by the riverside, you have to bury them by the riverside. You must not bury them at home. It is a taboo if you bury them at home. There's still a whole lot of examples, but today I want to focus on the family taboos. Now, there's some families that they must not eat rabbits. There's some families that they must not eat snake. There's some families that whereby it it is a taboo. Once they've just delivered a newborn baby, the mother of the baby must not eat any food that has got salt until the naming day. Otherwise, if any woman does not follow this in the family, their child might die, or maybe something even worse can happen in the future, So as a result of this, a lot of women, they follow, these rules. Also, another example there's a family called Anyo family. Anyo family, when they give birth to a new child in the family, a new baby in the family, they must go around to beg for everything that they will use in bathing that child for the first time. Everything has to be begged for. Now, if that is not done, that child will grow up, not following the family business, and also might even be ashamed, not proud of his family work, So these are family taboos that has been in the history of Yoruba for years. Okay, then the Ikoyi family, it is a taboo for them to eat rabbits, because history has it that their forefathers, they got angry one day, and he got so angry that he turned into a rabbit. So any Ikoyi person, anybody from the family of Ikoyi that eats rabbit, they will say that that person is eating their own forefathers. So as a result, it is a taboo. It is forbidden for Ikoyi family to eat rabbit. So that is it really for this week. And next week, I will talk more about another sector of Yoruba taboo. So we've discussed about the generic one. We've discussed about a family one now. So next week, we're going to discuss about there's a religion taboo as well in Yoruba land. There is taboo as well for diseases. What should you not do when you have this disease? What you shouldn't do if you So there's still a whole lot, okay? So as you know, we're going to be saying our Taboo together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, Taboo. Thank you very much, Esho.